Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I would be solving the problem unique paths from the LeetCode. So let's first read the problem. There is a robot on an M crossing grid. The robot is initially located at top left corner. The robot tries to move to the bottom right corner. The robot can only move either downward or right at any point in time. Given the two string integers m and n, return the number of possible unique paths that the robot can take to reach the bottom right corner. So here is the example. Robot has to reach the final position, and we have to return the number of possible unique paths that a robot can take to reach the finish point. So the finish point is the bottom rightmost point, and the start point is the top leftmost point, and it has to reach the finish position from the start position. It can travel only downwards or rightwards at any given point. Like here you can see the robot can only move either down or right at any point in time. So let's try to understand the logic of the code. So to find the number of paths it can take to reach the finish point from the start point. Suppose we have a 2x2 grid, and in this grid we have to find the number of ways. If the person is on the S position and he want to reach to the E position, then how many ways he can reach his destination, that is E. He can either go right and down, and the either way is the down and right. So there are total number of unique paths that the robot can follow to reach the finish position is 2 in this 2x2 grid. Now in this, suppose we have a 2x3 grid. Let's discuss how many unique paths are there. So first the robot will go on the right, again right, and downward. Then now it is the one way, and the other way is he goes the downward, then right, and then right. And one more way he can reach his destination, like if he go on right, then down and right. So here in this example we can say that there are number of unique paths is 3, and in the question, like for example 1, it is given m3 into 7. So for this example one, let's discuss. So here is the grid. The robot is on the S position and he had to reach the E position, and we have to tell the number of unique paths that he can follow to reach the E position. If we have, like here, if we have other grids also, we can't move backwards, because in the question it is given that the robot can only move either down or right. He cannot move backward. If he goes on the right side, then it is not possible that the robot can go backward. So if we have the extra grids, then there is no need to worry about it. The robot which is on the S position, the robot can also go from this side to this side, there, and there are lot of many ways. Now we have to find the logic. So if we want to reach this position, how many ways are there? 2 ways. And if we want to reach this position, then how many ways are there? 3 positions, because from here, here and here, 3 positions. And if we want to reach this position, then we have an option like from this side, 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 and this side. We have 4 options. So let's try to break the logic of this program. So now suppose all these steps are 1 1 1, this position. We can simply just add the upper position and the left position, because there is one very important thing to notice in this. What we can notice is that if the robot has to reach the final position, then it is only coming from the 2 boxes, like this box and from this box, which are adjacent to it. If we sum the numbers, like here is 1 and here is 1, and if we add the sum and store in this position, like 1 plus 1 is 2, then 2 plus 1 is 3, then 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Like we have discussed before, if we have to reach this position, their number of ways are 4. From this side, this side, this side, or this side. Here is 1 and here is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. So we are getting the desired output 28. So let's write the code of this problem. We have to declare a vector int, and we also declare the vector also, because we have to initialize all the grids with the one value to add the sum. So that's why. So let's run the code to check if it is working correctly or not. So it is working correctly. Let's check for after submitting. So it worked correctly. Thank you.